Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix mouse scroll wheel going up and down. If your mouse scroll wheel is behaving erratically by scrolling up and down its own, there are several potential fixes you can try. First, clean the scroll wheel. Sometimes dust and debris can accumulate inside the mouse scroll wheel, causing it to scroll erratically. Use compressed air on a cotton swab to clean around the wheel carefully. Or you can simply restart your PC just by going to the Windows option on the bottom right over here. And after you go in that, you will get into an interface like this. And on the bottom, you can see this icon. Select that and restart your computer. Sometimes it can fixes the minor issues as well. Or you could also try using a different USB port. If you're using a wire mouse, try plugging it into a different USB port on your computer to see if the issue is with the port. Or you could also replace the mouse if none of the above solution work. The issue may be with the mouse itself. Consider replacing the mouse with a new one. And if you're using a wireless mouse, try replacing the batteries or repairing the mouse with the computers to see if it resolves the issue. And this is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.